If you're watching this right now from your 9 to 5, from an airport, or even from your hotel room after a long day of work, this might be one of the simplest ways you can start building an income online without showing your face and using AI. And no, this is not one of those fake methods that don't work. This is already working. People are already getting results, and today I'm going to break it down step by step. As a chemical engineer, I travel a lot for work, different countries, long hours, unpredictable schedules, but one thing I realize is this. If you only depend on your job, your time is never yours. That's why I started looking for ways to build something online. Something simple, that works, and more importantly, something I could do from anywhere in the world. Before I show you the method, let's set some rules because not every make money online strategy makes sense. This one has to meet these three criteria. First, it has to be simple to understand, not easy, but simple. Second, it must use AI to make things faster and scalable. And third, we are not trying to reinvent the wheel because let me tell you something. There's no such thing as a non-saturated method. Everything is saturated. YouTube is saturated, affiliate marketing is saturated, even jobs are saturated. The difference is execution. So instead of trying to be original, we're going to plug into something that's already working. So let me show you exactly what I found. The first thing we need to do is research. And what I did was go into a platform where people are already making money, Etsy. I searched for something very specific, pet portraits. And this is where it gets interesting. Some of those stores are making hundreds of sales per month and even millions in total revenue. That means one thing, the demand is already proven. When you analyze those stores, you'll notice their top selling products are pet portraits and family portraits. And here's the crazy part. They're charging $50, $60 or even more for a detailed image. No inventory, no shipping, no warehouse, just a file. Here's how the model works. The customer sends a picture of their pet, you transform it into a stylized image, and you send it back as a digital download. That's it, simple. Now, this is where you have the advantage because instead of doing this manually, you use AI. You can take an image and turn it into watercolor art or cartoon style or even funny concepts like a gangster dog with a cigar, and it takes seconds. Imagine this. You are in your hotel room after work, you open your laptop, you get an order, someone just paid you $60. You upload their dog's photo, type a simple prompt, and boom, you send the final image. That's it. Now, here's where most people mess up. You don't need to be creative, you need to be strategic. Go to the top selling listings and model their titles, model their descriptions, and model their pricing. We're not copying, we are optimizing what already works. Now, let's talk about traffic because this is the real game. Yes, Etsy gives organic traffic, but at the beginning, you need momentum. So what I recommend is running ads to get your first 50 sales and at least 20 reviews because the algorithm needs proof. Once Etsy sees clicks, sales, and reviews, it starts pushing your listing organically. That's when things start compounding. Once you validate the product, you can scale. You can create different styles, target different niches, increase your pricing, and even offer physical frame versions using print on demand. Look, this is not magic. This is not overnight success, but it's simple and it works. The only question is, are you going to take action or keep scrolling? If you want more videos like this, where I break down real methods you can do from anywhere in the world, make sure you subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.